Tired of complicated diets that never seem to work? What if there was a simpler way? Welcome to intermittent fasting, the game changer you've been looking for. I'm your guide at Lose Zone. Intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, it's about when you eat. The most popular method is 16-8. Fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. Skip breakfast, have your first meal at noon, eat normally until 8 p.m., then fast until noon the next day. During fasting, water, black coffee, and tea only, no calories. Benefits include sustainable weight loss, better blood sugar control, and improved insulin sensitivity, plus cellular repair through a process called autophagy. Start gradually, ease into it, and stay hydrated. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you satisfied. New to fasting? Try the 14-10 method. 14 hours fasting, 10 hours eating. It's gentler and perfect for beginners. Always consult your doctor first, especially if you have health conditions. Remember, start slow, listen to your body. Subscribe to Lose Zone for more health tips and drop your questions in the comments. Your healthier life starts now. May God bless you and your weight loss journey.